been dry lining for the last 15, 20 years.
I've been dry lining for the last 15 years. When it comes to the soffit insulation, I've only used the classic tools, just the long drill bits and the normal hammer drill. It's not one of my favorite jobs. Too much dust, too much noise.
Hand-down vibration, exposure time, so you have alternative other fixers onto it, which is not always the easiest thing to do. It's just challenges like that. We currently have about 2,500 square meters of soffit insulation to install. Each slab, if you're going to pre-drill it, will probably take you in excess of probably 5 minutes using the spit gun. It can be less than a minute. Currently took us 2 days, but I think using the traditional method would have been about a week. You know, you're reducing the manpower on the job.
It's one of the most versatile tools I've ever had in my hand. When I tried first using it, I was just impressed. Absolutely hassle-free, no dust, lightweight.
Oh, it's a lot better. It's a lot faster, well-balanced. There's no noise from the gun, it's brilliant. Spit team have been brilliant. A lot of communication, same with the suppliers. They've been awesome.
It's impressive tool. It's just a huge difference. Every tradesperson should have one of these. Perfectly designed for the job,